Hi you, this is me Kamakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I curl my hair, how I make this hair happen because I received like a gazillion questions on how I do it and it was so overwhelming. You guys are so sweet. So here I am sharing with you how I do it. Let's start. Okay, so I would start by using two products on my hair before I go on and curl them. So the first one is this L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream, and the other one is this heat protecting spray from xoxo. Correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. This is a cream that makes my hair quite smoother, and it also offers heat protection, which is amazing. I apply this cream the ends of my hair. You apply this cream like this, especially covering the ends. To be honest, I don't really know what this cream exactly does, but A, it smells amazing, B, it makes my hair really smooth, and C, it offers heat protection. So I guess these are reasons enough to use it. And the other thing I use is this heat protecting spray from xoxo. You just need to spray it all over your hair. Now I'm going to comb my hair. So it's time to start curling. I'm using this iconic professional hair curler. Now you need to section your hair and we're going to start curling from here. Take your ears as a guide and section your hair like this. Clip all this hair aside. Now we're going to start curling from here. Take a chunk of your hair. This is enough. Hold your curler like this. Place your curler behind your hair and start curling like this outwards. I always curl my hair outwards. Keep for a few seconds and then leave. You see? We're going to repeat the exact same thing. Make sure you curl your hair outwards and not inwards. Your curler should always be behind your hair. If you're someone who wants your hair to look longer when it's curled, if you don't want your hair to look shorter, what you can do is you can leave the ends of your curls just the way they are. You don't need to curl your hair to the very end. If I curl my hair to the very end, they will go like this, which will make it shorter. So if you leave the ends like this, it gives your hair an illusion of length. So this is a great tip. I learned this the very hard way. This is one side done. Let's do the other side. Always hold your curler from the back of your head because I always end up burning my ear or my hand or my forehead with curlers. So it's better to go behind the head. So this is the lower section of our head done. Time to make another section. Now take the arch of your eyebrows as your guide. This portion. I don't have a lot of hair, so it doesn't take me a long time to curl it. start taking sections from the back. Now we will move from here to here. If you curl it backwards, it's going to be like this or bouncy, and this will give you a little volume. So you're going to take sections like this. So this is this side done. Let me do the other side and come back quickly. Now I'm going to do a middle part like this, and I'm going to flip this section here. Again we'll move from here to here. Curler from the back. So this is my curls done, but you must be thinking that this is not how it looks on Instagram in those pictures. There's a reason to it. There's one thing still left, one last step, which is also the most important step. I'm going to comb my curls. Yes, I'm going to take a thick comb, a big comb like this. I'm going to comb my curls. It might sound a little risky, but let's do it. This is how it transforms. Make sure you don't take a comb which is too thin. And you don't need to comb too much. This is enough. Let's do the same thing to the other side. You need to use your fingers more than you use your comb. And just like that, we're done. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you find this or any piece of my content even a little helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together as a community.